Home Storm Team.
Well, it sure looks like Mother Nature took it easy on quite a few of us from around Bismarck up to Minot, Willis, and Dickinson, everywhere in between, but not so nice east of Bismarck. In fact, you can't even drive from Bismarck to Fargo. I-94 is closed. 36 is closed north of that. And I only see a couple of accidents up here, but still just a mess. And it's just one of those nights where there's been snow, there's blowing snow, but I will tell you, and you'll see it on the radar, is not nearly as bad as what's going on over in the cities. We'll get to that in a moment. Right now, we have temperatures in the teens and 20s across western North Dakota, and looking at the wind speed is roughly 5 to 15 miles an hour. It's been pretty light all day in far western North Dakota, a little bit breezier from around Highway 83 to the east, and I can tell you that some of these winds have dropped off a little bit since 6 o'clock. So we still have, and this just changed moments ago because there were more counties up here till a moment ago, we still have a couple of counties with either a winter storm warning, that's the pink, or the winter weather advisory, that's the purple. And here's that blizzard warning that does include Minneapolis, St. Paul. And look at that radar. And we've turned on the heavy snow detection. Look around the cities right there. They could get nearly a foot of snow just tonight, and even some thunder snow. And our snow in North Dakota seems to be winding down just a little bit in the corner of the state there. So big storm system, the same storm system that helped shut down I-94 is a storm system that has triggered a tornado watch that covers parts of 9 different states. And this is a real mess. And earlier today, I guess a massive tornado hit Little Rock, Arkansas. I haven't seen a lot of information about it, except that there were at least 600 injuries. It was a massive tornado. So thoughts and prayers go out to the folks in Little Rock. But look at this line here, and rain in the north and thunder snow in parts of Minnesota. But what a lot of people in North Dakota are kind of watching, because we're so close to a record, is will we break it? Well, not this weekend. The record is 101.6 inches set back in 1996-97. This year we're at 95.4, so really won't take a lot of snow. Again, it's not going to happen this weekend. So I want to show you a couple of things here. Now, this is the European model. And yesterday, this is yesterday's data, the map I used yesterday. Notice where the Bismarck would be about right there. That's pretty light snow. This may not have broken the record using this model only. If that was to verify, that was yesterday. Now, look at today, because the snow is now farther north all the way up to about Crosby. This is not necessarily going to happen. It's just a computer model, and you can see how much has changed just from yesterday to today. It could change back tonight while we're asleep. In fact, this will update around 2:30 in the morning. So it's not set in stone, but we really easily could get a lot of snow out of this. But I will tell you that I don't think anybody's going to want a part of this, because that is a huge, huge, very powerful storm that could drop boatloads of snow. Again, that's just a computer model, and it's going to take a little while till we really get that figured out. Now, looking at the American model, yesterday the snow was really far north, and now today Bismarck's about right there in the white, so that would be a lot less snow. So things are just changing all over the place. It's probably not going to be until Sunday night, and Taylor Austin will tell you about it when we get a little better idea on the track of these storms. So the potential is certainly there to break the record, but we don't know exactly yet how much we're going to get. So here's the forecast. I have 50% up there for Tuesday, Wednesday, only because we really don't know. There's going to be a lot of things on social media that you may see. Make sure you have a trusted source you're looking at for graphics and weather forecasts. Minot's odds will be even lower than that. So Kiara, that's going to be a big storm. There are people that make their living moving snow and, Huff Hills. And there's a lot of people that do like it. But I can tell you right now, nobody wants a blizzard. At least I don't think anybody wants a blizzard next week.
No more, please. Thank you so much, Tom.